I'm sure you guys noticed in this video that there's just a ton of people at my house coming over, working on my car. I'm not giving them any money or anything like that. They're just coming to support me and help me get my stuff together for this event. And that's huge. I don't think I'd actually be able to do it if I didn't have that. Of course, all my main friends who are always there are fantastic. They're the best. You guys that have shown up just to put in a few hours, that really helps a lot too. And then also you guys for actually really just watching my videos. I started this channel as a type of diary for the videos that I wanted to see, or my life events and things like that. And for people to take the time out of their day to watch that it's pretty awesome, and I really appreciate it. It definitely helps me make more videos to know that there are people out there that actually would like to see them. So sorry for taking so long about this, guys. I just wanted to say thanks everyone so much for all the help and support that they've given me. I'm gonna go out there really strong this year and give it my full effort, and I think I have a decent chance of pulling off a podium this time. So fingers crossed, knock on wood, all the things, glass, you know, whatever. We'll see how it goes, guys. See you out there. Stuart, start that thing back up. 6-0 life, you know what I'm saying? 6 to the O. We are about to hook up oil pressure to this thing. I'm trying to hear it work its way. YouTube inception, guys. That's what I'm going for. I don't even need to talk. I'll just let him talk, and I'll just.
Yeah. But you guys remember Thomas? Every car that he has is LS swapped. And yep, there's a camera over my shoulder. There we go. Now I see you looking at me, looking at you.
Oh goodness, we've incepted the crap out of this.
Yeah.
5 minutes in the real world gives you an hour in the dream.
All right, folks. Stuart just proved how what a weak piece of shit I am. I couldn't get that 13 to spin. He just walked over and punched it with his pinky. Marine that shit right off.
I used the
there.
pointer finger.
That's what all it was?
Yeah.
I thought you might use the tip of your dick or something. So I can fling it back and hit it like an impact. Dick impact. None of this will make the video, don't you worry.
Alright.
Justin, what's up, Justin?
Alright, here.
This is the new iPhone 8. What do you think about the flashlight?
Oh, it's fuck that thing.
Well, guys, look at that. There is an engine in the Miata again. It feels so good to actually have this thing have an engine in it. Now the trans isn't hooked up yet or any of that stuff, and I'm gonna have to replace the engine harness, but it's in there. It's been months. You know, on that Instagram, Miata Power, do it. I'm unboxing my Holly Terminator X. Looking pretty good. That harness looks nice and clean. I'm excited to put that in the mix. And I ran into this little guy here. I don't know if you know, but it's like tiny.
That's what she said.
It's like an iPhone 4.
I'm gonna have to hold this in my hand as I drive. I'm glad it has a cord, and so I can see what's going on. But apparently you can tune it from this. I think it's a little touchscreen maybe. I don't know. We'll see more as we go. But for now, it's a box. I think we're gonna pack it up.
You're gonna pack it up.
Justin's gonna pack it up.
You don't feel like actually working on your car ever.
No, dude, if you want to pull all-nighter just to prove a point, I will do that.
No, I don't want to prove a point. I want to get the thing done.
The thing will be done tomorrow. Like legit. Yeah, like,
We'll see.
like legit, the trans will be in another hour and a half max, and I'm only talking like super fucking off max.
Yeah.
Then we gotta hook up this harness, which can't possibly be that complicated, right?
You've done said it.
And then the hardest part of it all, I gotta make this fucking seat actually sit in the car attached to it. All right, guys, we are in it to win it here. Got the transmission hooked up. Engine's obviously in. You saw that last night. It's Saturday, midday or so. Justin's on his way over. We got Frank on the floor figuring out the new harness. Yeah, Holly, you know what I'm saying? Nick's here. What's your Instagram, Nick?
Gold_smoking.
Okay, say it again. Stop moving shit around, Frank. What's your Instagram, Nick?
Gold_smoking.
Frank, stop! Fucking hell! You're making ticks and shit. What's the fucking Instagram again?
Gold_smoking.
Come on, man. He's soft spoken. You're fucking killing me.
Gold_smoking.
All right, cool. You made it really goddamn weird, Frank. Thanks for that. So, anyways, that's my Instagram if you forgot it. You can't even read that shit. Miata Power, and also there's 3 A's. So, I'm gonna make a promise to you guys, everyone, the world in general, that this new 6.0 will never come out of this car until it's fucking blown up, like rod knock blown up, not like send a rod through the block, but like
Send a rod through the block.
no, not send a rod through the block, because that's a mess and might take out my oil pan and other expensive accessories. But rod knocked, done, you know, like lifter noise, something where it's like catastrophic failure. That motor is never coming out of that car now until catastrophic failure happens. What that means, I think what that means is if for some reason I ever want to upgrade to more power, I'm just gonna have to beat the living dog piss out of that thing, turn the RPM up and blow it up or something, I guess. You know, whatever. That's how it's gonna go down. That thing was so cheap, it's getting sent. Nick agrees.
Yeah.
Steve's in the car right now. We got him straight upside down.
You can get me through this hole.
That's what she said. That's what she said. That's what she said.
Legitimately in the car.
He is upside down in the car, unhooking the old engine harness and very neatly wiring, labeling the wiring in case I ever want to use it again. Thank you very much, Steve. You're the man.
No problem.
The meticulous stuff I leave to the people that like detail, and you like detail.
I hate detail. It's just OCD.
Well, thanks, I guess. So it doesn't fall over and slam, because that just slammed. And I had my drink sitting, and I didn't realize that it crushed the can with the water still in it. I can probably drink that now. Nick can't contain himself. It's not even that funny, but it's not. I gotta remember this, so I'm gonna put it in the video. The headers on the passenger side have to get unbolted, so they're loose, so that I can get the bell housing on there. Bell housing needs loose passenger header. Got it. So I go on Dragonfly doing Dragonfly stuff. Sitting here in my half-installed new seat. You can see the halo support, and got a little bit of a knee clearance issue, so I'm cutting out the dash so that my knees can tuck up in here better on this side as well. And Alan Archer's here. Hi, Alan.
Hey.
Alan's a good dude. He's got a 1J Swap 350Z. I would put his Instagram. Yeah, go check him out. It's pretty cool. He's gonna be drifting here shortly. He had a timing belt snap, and right as he was putting on the trailer to go drifting. That's a sumbitch for you, man. Fucking cars, god damn it. I've had my fair share of problems, y'all know. So anyways, yeah, cutting this hopefully gives me more knee clearance, because I have to sit at a pretty sweet lean, but I actually like leaning back, so it's kind of nice. I'm gonna be chilling, chilling. Zach's here. What it is, Zach? We got Zach doing the spark plugs, and he's also been, I think, hooking up our wiring harness, which is awesome. Looking clean and nice. Loving it. Apparently this is pretty darn easy to deal with. Should be close to running this thing soon, hopefully. We'll see. Trying to crank this thing, and we were just turning it over here to see what kind of oil pressure it would have, and it hit 60 psi of oil pressure off the starter. So far, very happy with that.
One eternity later.
We finally figured out why it wasn't starting. My dumbass forgot to hook up one of the red wires to constant 12. So we got it to fire for a second, and now we're gonna actually start this thing up.
Start.
Spec tuning. Pretty.